Silk All-in-One Mineral Paint contains a primer and a top coat. There's no need to prime or top coat your projects. After my slick stick had dried on the top of my project, waiting 24 hours before you apply your paint, I then used my Silk All-in-One Mineral Paint and a synthetic smooth brush. The bells and whistles transfers are easy to apply and add an artistic touch to your furniture. Once you're ready to apply your transfer, gently pull back the clear release sheet to separate the transfer from its protective paper. Gently unroll your transfer, cut, and apply to where you would like to burnish your transfer down onto the piece. After you had burnished your transfer down onto the surface of your drawer front, if you have a spot where an opening of the drawer occurs, you can use a sharp knife to cut your transfer so it will open smoothly. Dixie Belle's bells and whistles transfers are very simple and easy to use. After you place your image onto the surface, use the small burnishing tool to make sure that your transfer is adhered to the front of the furniture. You can gently lift the clear release sheet to check that it is adhered completely. Once it's adhered completely, you can peel off the release sheet. You then want to seal your transfer with either wax or clear coat. Using Silkscreen stencils on furniture. I find that using a foam applicator pad allows me to push the paint through the silkscreen on the stencil. This prevents any bleed through, which is great. Normally when I'm using stencils, there's always a little bit of bleed through, but these stencils are amazing for getting a clear, concise image. Push the paint through the stencil mesh until you've covered the entire image. Peel back and wash your stencil immediately. You can reuse these stencils up to 10 times. Belle's Best Dang Wax is water-based, it's easy to wipe back and get the look that you're going for.